What's up, guys? It's your boy Paco with another video. How are we doing today, guys? We're doing great. We're doing awesome. I like to hear that. I like to hear that. Playing a brand new game I've never played at all my life, but I did hear about this back in the day when I was younger. When I had which difficulty should we do, guys? Perfect for rookies. Enemies take it easy. Controls are simplified. The camera automatically adjusts. An adventure for experienced players whose middle name may or may not be Danger, but it probably isn't, because that would be weird. For expert players who like to fight shark kigators barehanded and walk away from explosions and slow motion. This is so dumb. Alright, let's do normal. But I remember back in the day when I had a PlayStation 2, this game came out like some kind of Ratchet and Clank version of it, right? And I always thought it looked cool because I looked at the cover of the game box. Hold on. Let's watch this.
Move it out, Shiv. Hero, you think you can break me, Copper? I've been in the darkest pits of the universe. Places that would make your bolts rattle. The eternity pits of your doom. The iron holding your balance.
You know, at first I thought that was Mr. Incredible, and then I thought that purple guy was
Greetings, new fish. I'm Captain Clank.
was Cortex,
I don't believe it.
or some version of him.
I used to dream of being arrested for new fish. I take it you followed my many adventures? Of course I have. You're the most famous superhero in the galaxy. He ain't famous anymore. Words hurt, Solitary Bill. I'm a huge fan. The game based on that incident with you and that Lombax. Oh, you must mean the hollow film. Yeah, it's pretty good. If you like all CG. No, I mean the game. It's based on the hollow film. Look, here's my confirmation email. I'm having me. Oh, this is my fault.
Is this like a story campaign kind of game, or what's going on?
Forsaken place too long. And no one will ever hear my side. I'd like to hear your side, Captain. A hapless Lombax named Ratchet.
Alright, guys, this is Ratchet. Let's get to meet this man. I don't know the backstory of this guy, but he looks like a great cow.
Where do you think you're going?
Hey, Grim, you're here. I thought you'd be down at the bazaar shopping for gravity coils.
Your tryouts?
I just need 1 hour. Come on, Grim. These are the Galactic Rangers we're talking about. Captain Quark will be there.
No leaving the garage until you help fix Mr. Micron's ship. Now get on the...
Alright, it just took me a minute to try to figure out what happened with my audio, but I hope I fixed it. Let's get back to it, guys. I don't know what just happened.
Waiting on you, kid. Look at this thing. Avionics fried, CPU fried, even the gosh darn gravity coils fried. Oh, you really did a number this time. Okay, let's see if these new Versa bulbs work. Look up. Do you see something flashing?
What the heck is going on?
Yep. Left side looks good.
It's a miracle.
Oh, it's gonna teach me how to. It's gonna teach me how to play.
Look down. You see
Casual.
something?
Wait, where?
Left
Oh.
afterburner light checks out.
This thing might just be space worthy after all. One more to the.
Lower right afterburner works. So, are we good?
Yep, we're good. The news says the tryouts
Whoa.
are being held at the fairgrounds. Show 'em what you got, kid.
And so Ratchet began his adventure, hoping to become
Hey,
a Galactic Ranger.
Hey.
Rise and shine, Kizzle Plateau. It's 8 a.m. and it's gonna be a hot one today.
So what are we doing? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Coins and stuff. So who are we killing? Can I run? Dude, I can't run, bro. Oh, I can like I don't know what the word is, but what do I do, guys? What's the point of this box? Oh my god, you serious? Anyway, let's just keep going. You know, typically on this campaign kind of games, I like to explore everything, or at least try to. Cause what are the like? Look, coins, you know. I don't know. Oh, screws. We're collecting like screws and nut. What's up, buddy? Another frog, a bird. There's birds in this game. I can't knock it out. Where's it at? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? There you are. Oh shoot! What the heck did I just do? Whatever, dude. Spaceships. Nothing else. Can I go behind here and see what's up? Dude, I'm kind of bummed out. I can't run in this game. I wish I could, cause I wish I could. You know what I mean? There's a ramp here. Magna boots required. Ooh, I'm gonna unlock some cool stuff later in the game.
Magna boots.
Come on, Ratchet. Can you like run, please?
Hey,
Ratchet bashed his enemies using his trusty Omni Wrench.
Omni wrench. Or so my weapon is called Omni wrench. Is there anything I need to like? Okay, so I can fall off the map clearly. Yeah. And die. Do I have any lives? I don't know. Let's just. Oh, look at those birds up there.
nice.
In order to best his foes, Ratchet used the warrior's time-honored tradition of jumping.
Yeah, for sure, buddy. That was close. I almost died. What do I do with this? Can I fix that? I don't think so. If I go up here, I don't think I can go up there. Alright, just keep
Ratchet knew
going.
he faced mortal peril. Should he find himself on the verge of death, he'd find nanotech to heal.
I use that stuff after a bank robbery.
We use
once.
nanotech to
It healed
heal.
like
What kind of
3 out
world are we
5
living in
gunshot
with this
wounds.
technology, man? Aliens, I'm telling you, man. They got no chill sometimes. This is just a little pit I fall in. Alright, guys. Alright, explore. Oh, wait, so do I have to go down there for the screws? No, good. Because I was not trying to go back down there. Come back up to climb, because I'm not about that waste time life, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Can I reach that? Hey, I can. I'm gonna have to play claw, because you kind of have to aim up whenever you try to destroy
Displayed a
these
flagrant
crates.
disregard for public property. Look at him smashing crates. The hubris.
You know me. I'm just a
Maybe he was just
freaking
saving
cow.
up
I do what I
funds
want.
So we could buy a new weapon to protect the galaxy.
Hey, who's telling the
Oh
story?
shoot. Oh shoot. Yo, that got scary. So I wonder if these screws like disappear like regular coins in like other games if you don't pick them up. I missed something. It says something about a card. I don't know what it said, but I ignored it. Maybe just like hidden, you know, gems or something. Like Crash. Y'all play Crash Bandicoot when you were little? I did. I played Crash to Insanity. And around the map, there was these like screws you can like collect around the map. They were like kind of hidden secret type beat. and you have to collect it to like gain more power, I guess. I didn't understand the story when I was little, and I still don't. Because the newer Crash games, I stopped playing. I wasn't really a fan. I don't even know what to do, man. I'm trying to see if anything's breakable around me. So I'm on a fairground. All right, let's see what there is to do here. Can I open this? Nope. More screws. Nothing to grab. Nothing to break. Citizens of the city, how you doing? More screws, boxes I can collect screws from, and more. So let me talk to this robot. Maybe he's got something important to tell me.
Hey.
Never mind. It's just a decoration.
Good luck, future ranger.
What is this? Just signs? Signage? More signage. Boxes and almost missed.
Here. Show us how quick you can be on your feet by jumping over these obstacles.
Okay.
If you see me at the event.
Good work. Now keep moving to the next part of the course.
Okay.
A good ranger is always mindful of their surroundings. Hop across these
Oh baby, I almost fell. Let's go.
Good job.
You
could be the recruit we've been looking for. Keep moving to the next part of the course.
I almost fell. I would have been unrecruited. ASAP. Milwaukee. Anything to break? No. Kind of scared. What's gonna happen here?
Hey there, recruit. I'm Brax Lectress, and my specialty is brute force. Let's see how well you can bash these crates.
Oh, what the heck?
Hey, that was pretty good. Keep moving. It's time to get our
Pretty good? You mean excellent? Come on, guys. Don't disrespect me like that. Okay, now what's next? What's next? What is this? Activate Gadgetron vendor. Oh, press X to purchase a fusion grenade. Exchange bolts for this awesome weapon. Yeah, why not?
You got a deal. Awesome. Next step, blow stuff up.
Oh, can I aim and throw it? I can. Let's go.
Galaxy is a perilous place, as evidenced by the large amounts of ammunition left sitting around.
Hey. Oh. What just happened? Okay, so I can use circle to throw it too. Oh, okay. So my screw, my omni wrench is square. And then my bombs are circle or R2, and I can aim too. So they're like Easter eggs. What's up, guys? I'm just making sure. You know, what if you get like something secret? I don't know. All right, let's keep going.
Oh boy.
What? I can run out of ammo? You're joking, man. So how much ammo do I have? I can hold 8 and I have 1. Gotcha. Got it. Alright, I got it now. So kind of conserve these. That's what you're telling me.
In order to spice things up,
I got 3 now. 5, 7, and 8 now. Cool. Or 2. But why wouldn't... What?
Whoa, a holo card. Sweet.
Holo card. So there's cards I can collect. I don't know what I'm doing, but high level info. What the heck, man? Head to the fairgrounds. Where are my cards that supposedly told me to view? I don't even know. What the heck is going on? Alright, let me just collect more bombs so I have some. Oh, 8. Let's go. Whoa, he heard me.
Recruit, you may just be the next Galactic Ranger.
Alright.
Head to the final challenge.
I have a headache.
Ratchet, you can do this.
Oh, this is. I think I'm gonna fight someone, huh? I'm gonna have to fight someone.
Brutal onslaught of enemies, and you just might be our next galactic ranger. Or maybe. One down.
Oh shoot.
Whoa, looks like some angry toads.
Another one down.
Let's go. I'm trying to get some kind of quad feed or something. You know what I mean?
Could we be looking at Solana's next galactic ranger?
Only got one left. Can I get some sweet 6 on? You know what I mean? So many screws, so many screws. Let's go. I'm talking about.
Come see me after the show.
More ammo, more ammo, more ammo. Let me just make sure I'm stocked up on ammo before I leave. Let's go. Anything cool around here I can collect? Can I collect that or something? Oh, I missed. I just went through it. Okay. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the savior of Solana, Captain Quark. Hello, Veldin.
Hello, Captain!
He's on fire again.
I know.
My name is Copernicus Quark, and yes, that was an impressive wall of fire I just walked past. I'm gonna be real with you folks for a moment. When President Vironix recommended I take on a new ranger, I knew just where to go. That's right. We want you.
Yeah!
I know what you're thinking. Do I have what it takes? After all, you may not have prevented Dr. Nefarious from atomizing Aliro's city. You may not have
Why is
stopped
this thing
Captain
moonwalking?
Frog from rendering the entire population of Iridia colorblind.
He's got 3 fingers.
After all, you may not have this chiseled jaw or godlike pectoral region.
He said
but if
godlike
you
pectoral
have heart,
region.
Then you have what it takes. You don't have what it takes.
Ouch.
But I have heart.
Yes, but unfortunately that heart is encased in a weak, muscleless mass of inexperience.
Dang, he said, bro, he said you're small, bro. We can do about it. Huh? Huh, Ratchet?
Long line of citations here. Possession of an illegal gravity repulsor.
Operation of a black market accelerator.
Oh, they're looking at his past.
Space-time continuum?
That is
Oh, they're looking at his
story.
past time.
You're a loose
Moments.
cannon, and you're dangerous. That's my
Oh, if you think about it, he's
Wait,
cooler than him.
Just give me a
Sorry,
chance.
no time. Galaxy in jeopardy. Get back out there. And remember, you can do anything. As long as you're me. Next! Meanwhile, on planet Quartu...
Dr. Nefarious, the mad scientist who made all of this possible.
Mad suggests cognitive impairment. I'm more of a vengeful scientist.
Who the hell is this guy? Megamind?
Here to meet the troops.
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime hub.
Hello.
Hey, it's Clank.
Defect detected.
Defect.
Preparing for immediate
Run, Clank, run.
destruction. In 3, 2.
He ran.
Oh, a defect.
What a G.
Go play, Victor.
Oh, we're gonna play as Clank? Dude, I think we're gonna play as Clank.
Best chance for survival lay with the facility's ventilation system. If he could just run to the vent, he might just make it out of there
Hey,
alive.
oh, hey. Let's go. Oh, no. Dude, this reminds me of back in the Crash days, bro. I will be chased. You can't see in front of you, and you just gotta keep running. Oh. Yo, wait. Did the same people that made Crash made this game?
Knew that if he were to survive, he
I
would
wonder.
have to throw a bomb at whatever lay in his path. The young defect spotted a
Wait.
spring bot ahead of him.
Wait,
Knew
why?
that with this handy device in his arsenal, he could now defeat
Oh.
the deadliest of forces, gravity. The hopeless defect had to throw a spring bot, but where and how?
Nice. Oh shit, I missed a lot of stuff down there. Okay, wait, what else can I do? I can punch, I can slam. That's it. Cool, cool. Oh, I need the bomb, of course. Dang, I feel like a spy. Oh, keep running, keep running. Cause Tony, or yep, there's Tony. There's big old Tony, whatever his name is. He's coming. Hi, buddy. Ah! I jumped. What are you talking about?
You useless piece of scrap.
Dude, he just called me a useless piece of scrap. What do you think you are? Clank, let's get out of here, buddy, please. Let's please get out of here. Oh no, Clank! I stopped. Oh snap! I paused for a second. He got closer because I stopped. Oh no! Ah! Oh, oh my! What the heck? Why isn't it? Oh, I'm so stupid. Ah! Keep running, Clank. Oh, never mind. I'm done running.
Suddenly, the defect spotted a power bot. This device could power up a variety of machines. But where should he throw it?
Oh, this game is getting creative, yo.
Thank you, Shiv.
Oh, not there.
I pride myself on
Up
my
there.
penchant for storytelling.
Oh, I think I have to do this first. Do this. Grab this. Jump on this. Yep.
I've got him right where I want him.
Can I grab anything over there? You know what? I'm gonna go over here first. Yeah. Looks like there's something important over here. Come on, throw it. I pressed square, dude. Why didn't you throw? Oh, do I not need it over here? Oh shoot! Then I guess I do go the other way first. Damn it! Sorry guys. I thought the main storyline was like this way. That's why I want to go over there first. Bridge opens. All right, cool. But the question is, how am I going to get over there to get that trophy? Can I take you away? I'm gonna just take you, just in case I do need you. I don't know. Come on, throw you. Ugh, can you pick it up? Damn. It's stressful, man, when she doesn't go your way. Alright, I don't think I need him. How do I get over there? Oh. Hold up. What the? What the hell? Wait. There's another. Wait. There's another blue guy over there. Hey, what's going on? How do I reach that? Can't figure it out. So let's just continue with the game. I guess I'll be able to come back later for it. Oh, we're running so? Oh shoot, Tony's coming. Oh nice, bro. I thought you were done from him. Thought we were done with you.
Not that brute again.
Whee! Oh, I thought I was gonna slide. Run, buddy. Run, buddy. Run, buddy. Miserable defect. Buddy, I just got a brain. I can think. Oh, shoot. I jumped too early. Oh, shoot. Oh my god, you're joking, bro. Literally joking.
Water!
Come on, let's get out of here. Hey, let's go. That little robot that could. Dude, this animation is really good. Oh, here comes Tony. Tony Baloney. Hurry up, guys. Let's go. No way. Are you serious? He has eyes. I didn't even notice.
Computer, set coordinates for the Galactic Ranger home base.
Destination set. We will never make it. But hey, what are you gonna do?
Oh dear.
Oh, that was funny. Computer told him, bro, we can't, but screw it. Oh, what's wrong with Ratchet? Is he still bummed out because you're not worthy?
I'll never be a ranger. What?
You have a bike and we weren't using it? It wasn't his back. Oh, his Omni wrench.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dude, Clank almost died, bro.
No vector shell damage. Sister board appears to be intact.
I must get to Alero City. Dad, they are in danger.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, who's in danger?
An army is coming. I must warn them.
Hang on. Slow down. You've been in a crash. What do you say we get you back to my garage? I'll run a diagnostic and have you fixed up in no time.
Thank you. I appreciate the assistance.
It's no problem. So, what do I call you?
I suppose my proper designation is Warbot Defect B54296.
Maybe I'll just call you
Clankly Clank. Clankly Clankly.
My name's Ratchet. Up and down. Yeah, there you go. You're a natural.
A million thoughts raced through Ratchet's head. Could he repair this diminutive warbot? Would it be the key to the adventure he craved? Did he leave the proto-engine on in the garage? The answer to all these questions.
So are they searching for us?
Yes.
Oh, snap.
All right, hang on. I'll get us back to the garage.
Oh, these things are gonna attack me now? Oh. Oh, I thought they don't die, but they don't drop screws, so I'm not gonna wait around to collect them because they don't drop anything. And I think it might be useful to try to pick up the most bolts, not screws, bolts. The most bolts that I can, because I think it might come in handy purchasing and upgrading and blah blah blah. You get the axe flat.
Large gaps were child's play to Ratchet. All he would need to get across is a trusty swing shot and a little bravado.
Hello? Please explain that. Can I bounce on you? I guess so. Come on, buddy. He says swing, but something. Oh. Hello? Was that not supposed to? Was that not how I was supposed to do it? Hey, yo!
Fortunately for our furry hero, a conveniently placed crate provided Ratchet with a
conveniently placed. Okay, so what was in here? Hello?
I said provides Ratchet with a combustor.
Oh.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Why can't I pick it up? Hello? Pick it up.
Oh, come on, grab the combustor. It's right here.
Oh, what the heck? How did I not see that?
A combustor.
That's crazy.
It basked in the freedom of being able to switch weapons whenever he felt like it.
Perhaps you could shoot something to open the door.
Oh snap! That's cool. Let's go.
Impressive shooting.
Thanks, Clank. Now how do I get up? Oh. What? Oh, I keep forgetting. I pressed the wrong button. Sorry. Sorry, guys.
Nice work.
Nice work. Shut up, Clank. Oh, there's enemies up here or something? Yeah, there is. You're going down. You're going down. You know what? Bomb.
What are they
missed.
doing here? I have information in my databanks that poses a threat to Chairman Drek.
Oh shit.
He must have tracked my position to your planet so he could get it back.
Oh, word. More ammo. Let's go.
Ratchet had to think fast. Perhaps the hook shot would solve his current
Hey, yo.
Grim, listen to me. I want you to lock the garage doors and then head down into the shelter. I'll be there as soon as I can.
So I got bombs. I do. What the hell? I missed him, bro. Wait, he didn't die. Ah!
Ratchet was in a bad way. Hurt, confused,
Nice.
and alone. He
Nice.
scoured the Kizzle Plateau for signs of.
I think that's all of them.
I ran out of ammo at the last minute. That freaking sucks. And I got hit. Okay, now what? Oh. Shut up, Ratchet.
Is that a Blarg dropship?
Did you just say shit?
Model X6Z to be exact.
What the heck?
Also known as
Who's shooting me? Oh, whole. Wait, what? Where do I shoot at? Oh, snap. Oh, damn it, I'm out of bombs. Oh no! Ratchet, buddy. Let's go. Get out of here. Get out of my lobby, buddy. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Crystal? I just got a crystal. I really wonder if the same creators that made this game may crash, because we're getting crash vibes.
All the jobs Red could have given us. We gotta look for some defect. It's not that bad.
Nice. Oh no. The Blarg are all over Grim's garage. Grim, are you okay?
Are you dead? When are you gonna die, bro? How many shots do you take?
Grim. I got this.
I did not mean to waste that bomb there. Dude, there's so much to do. It's kind of hard to see in the night. I don't know why I'm gonna miss. Health crystals.
Incoming dropship detected.
Damn, he just hit me.
I'm down in the shelter. Ratchet, this place is a mess. Disassembled weapons and engine parts everywhere. Didn't you tell me you were going to clean it up last week?
Yeah, sorry about that. Got held up on a project.
Oh, baby. I got hit again. Damn it.
Quantum burst engines.
throw that anywhere. I have it bookmarked.
What's this? Fun with singularities and other cataclysmic events.
That's really more for educational purposes.
It is always good to meet a fellow academic.
Really, I just look at the pictures and then, you know...
Dude, he keeps moving. Am I not hitting you? Bro, I wasn't hitting him the whole time. He was too far.
Oh boy.
You freaking suck, bro. I hate this game. I hate this game. I wasted all that ammo because I thought I was reaching him and I wasn't.
Ratchet, what in Zony's name just exploded?
Sorry about that, Grim. Listen, get my tools ready. I just found something in the desert I need to look at.
Oh, wait, I'm back here. This is where I started.
What factory is this?
This? No, this is just a garage. Lived here since I was a kid. Come on, let's get you fixed up.
All right, I'm in the garage. So I'm gonna start right there, but guys, I guess I'll just make this a series maybe because I didn't know this was gonna. I thought low-key thought this was an online game, but it isn't. It's a story game. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a playlist out of this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part 1. This will be a fun game to play, to be honest. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.